According to Wikipedia, in the New Thought philosophy, the law of attraction is a belief based on the idea that people and their thoughts are made from pure energy, and that a process of like energy attracting like energy exists through which a person can improve their health, wealth, and personal relationships. Manifestation is the act of bringing your deepest desires into being in your life. When you align yourself and your desires with what the universe has in store for you, you can make all your dreams come true. Listen to your heart. What do you want most in life? Clear your mind and ask yourself what you desire. Let your heart dream its own dream. Listen for the answer by getting past the bounds and constraints of what you've been told or what your mind believes. Focus your attention. Let your mind wander through your desires. To move past the noise of life stresses, eliminate those things which cause your mind to stray from your heart's desires. Believe that you are worthy of getting what you ask for from the universe. If your attention is blocked by self-doubt, the universe won't help you manifest your desires. Release your desire to the universe. Once your heart has shown you your deepest desire and your mind is focused on manifesting it, now is the time to release your request to the universe. Breathe in the strength of the universe and exhale your desire into the vastness of possibilities. Take another deep breath to calm yourself and exhale to send your thoughts with your desire. Show patience. Time is meaningless on a universal scale. What needs to happen will happen, if and when it is destined to occur. When you try and force your time frame onto the universe, you disrupt the law of attraction. Like cannot find like if you're trying to force an outcome. Believe in the wisdom of the universe and that you will receive your manifestation when the time is best for you. Clear your resistance. Too often, your mind tries to refocus your thoughts away from your deepest desires and toward negative emotions and outcomes. Life's challenges may pull you away from harmony with the universal plan. After you have released your desire to the universe, focus your spirit on the manifestation of your desire, not on falling short of what you seek. Doubts create stress and will change the law of attraction from bringing you joy to bringing you emptiness. Walk your path, knowing that the universe is responding to your request.